Are you ready to design a website that captures the attention of its visitors? We'll share 3 incredible websites with you today where you may find the best free photos for your web design projects. First, there is Unsplash. With its vast collection of high-quality, royalty-free images, you'll be sure to find the perfect visuals to make your website stand out. Simply type in your keywords, look through the results, and download all the images that you love, all for free and without any attribution required. Alright, next up we have Pixabay. It offers an extensive range of high-resolution photos, vector graphics, and illustrations. Finding images that fit your web design idea is simple thanks to Pixabay's user-friendly interface and powerful search feature. Last but not least, Pexels. Collaborating with photographers and videographers worldwide, Pexels offers a diverse collection of high-quality stock photos and videos. Discover the perfect images to elevate your website, all conveniently organized into categories and available under the Creative Commons license. So, whether you are creating a personal blog or a professional business website, these 3 sites will be your go-to for amazing free images. Start designing your website right away and make it visually captivating with these incredible free image resources. Thank you for watching, and you may want to watch this video next.